you start with these little children who really struggle with it. They love dancing, so you just keep going, and by year 6 they're doing these really hard dances. They're in time and rhythm and they love it, and they're performing them. So it's a wonderful journey. I'm from a dance background from years ago, so I make sure the steps are right, and I'm quite particular about that. But I think the children appreciate that because they're reaching that a bit of a higher level. And so we always do well at the Folk Awards and the Manx Guild as well, but they do put the work in and they're keen to do it. This year we've got 2 children who just made up a dance completely on their own without me doing anything, so I've just entered them as well. So for me that's great because they really want to do that, and they've got together off their own bat and just put that together. And they did it quite early, so they came to me, I think it was like October, so we've made up a dance for the Folk Awards already, and thought, wow, that's brilliant. So but that's really what, for me, that's what I'd like to see, is the children taking ownership of it. I think giving them those harder dances that perhaps we don't see so much as well is really important, because to start with I sort of chose dances that I really like myself, but I thought, no, we don't really see these. So we did Ben Wren of Alden's, one of my favourites because I love the music, and I'd never seen it danced, so we learnt it. But everyone said, oh, we've never seen that, it's lovely. So I think it's really important as well that they have an opportunity not just to do the Melia, but to do some of the more unusual ones that perhaps they don't see. The whole process is lovely, the rehearsing, the children getting excited, getting their costumes on. It's just lovely seeing all the children loving it, loving Manx culture and dancing. When I look back when I was little, those are the moments I remember and cherish, think, wow, that time I did that and how wonderful it was.